A lot of people get hung up, especially when you're starting out, cash basis versus accrual basis. For us, we look at what's best for if you haven't made the election, and you're filing a business return, we're going to look at what's best for your business. But in general, um, you know, usually ecom clients are best for cash basis, because again, inventory is not an expense. So you can do accrued basis, but those Q4 sales, are going to come through, and they're going to be reported in late December, versus if you're cash basis until that hits your bank account in mid-January. So you can kind of defer it, but in general, I mean, it pretty much equals itself out over the course of time. If you find yourself with a bunch of large business expenses that aren't inventory that can be expense, maybe you're constantly upgrading a warehouse, or you've got equipment and improving that part of the commercial side of the business, then maybe accrued makes sense. But from a tax perspective, we're looking at both, and kind of judging. I would say don't worry about getting held up and concerned about cash versus accrual. We do our weekly, monthly, quarterly reports to our clients in accrued basis, because it more smoothly, accurately reports the number, versus large variation seasonally. So accrued basis is what we use for management reporting purposes, but from a tax perspective, it could go either way. Certainly reach out to us if you feel like you have CPA needs. If you own a business, run a property, you feel like you're not getting proactive advisory and proactive tax planning, tax savings, my team is here to help. It's not me doing all the work. We have a team behind us. Check out the Meet the Team page on our website at insognacpa.com. It's INSOGNA CPA.com. And certainly love to at least have a conversation, see if we're the right fit for you, and see how we can help you going forward.